What is up? This is Green Brother Plays, and I'm going to show you how to draw a haunted house since it's Halloween. Okay, first I'm going to draw like that. If it looks rockety, it's supposed to, okay? Okay, now I'm gonna do something. All right, now I'm gonna draw all the windows indoors, okay? Okay, now I've done all the windows. Was in the chimney. Now I'm gonna draw some smoke. Just easy as that. Nice moon. It looks like an egg. Nice egg moon, okay. Three little bats. Nice. Okay. Now I'm going to draw. I'm going to color. All right. All right, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'm gonna show you a little closer up of my haunted house and my pets. All right, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.